Yo, what is good, everybody? Welcome back to yet again another Minimal Mondays. So, as we've stated many times in the past, our goal for Minimal has never been to just be another brand, but more so we want to be an integral part of this community. Over the years, we've been extremely humbled at the support and positive feedback by you guys, our amazing community. And so that is why we came up with this new and fresh idea, just a brand new way to reach out to you guys, to support you guys the same way you guys have been supporting us. And with that being said, it is my extreme honor and pleasure to announce to you guys our brand new project, the Independent Designer Collaboration Series. Now, bear in mind, this isn't just your regular everyday collaboration with just another big name. This is about you, our community. This is about you, the people. We've scoured the entire country for young and promising talent who quite honestly just need a little leg up in this industry. Because whether or not you know it, starting a brand is extremely difficult. Resources such as finances, the right network, marketing, production, warehouses, having the team to assemble all this stuff, it's definitely very, very difficult. Which is why we decided this would be a really great idea to help you guys, our amazing community, get to where you want to get. The idea is to get these young and up-and-coming designers' designs to the main stage in front of our nearly 1 million person community. But even more than that, we here at Minimal find it to be an immense privilege to get behind you guys and help you see your dreams become reality. So with that being said, it is my immense privilege to introduce you guys to our very first independent designer that we're collaborating with, and his name is Zion. Now, apart from having a really cool name, Zion is an extremely promising designer. He comes from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. He went to Kent State University, who totes one of the best fashion programs in the country. I believe it's top 4 ranked, which is insanely impressive. On a personal level, it's been an extreme privilege of mine to get to know Zion, to hear his story, because it really is amazing. And you can see that in his design language, his attention to detail, but more on that in just a little bit. Now, rather than just telling you about him, let's go ahead and meet him. I went and FaceTime Zion, did a little bit of Q&A, so please enjoy that. Zion, what's good, man?
How you doing, man?
Doing well, bro. First and foremost, I just have to start with a huge congratulations on the collab. So the Explorer cargo's definitely one of the hottest pieces. So fire. What inspired you to kind of bring it back, and why?
All right, well, pretty much I included the Explorers because I really want this design to touch as many lives as possible. I am from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, really small town, East Coast. So, when Juice WRLD and Ali Lottie wore these one-on-ones, to Rolling Loud 2019.
That's so sick, bro.
So crazy. Like, I realized that these pants, just had to get, out there. These were the ones to push. These were the ones to, get in as many hands as possible.
Bro, I just have to ask, on a personal level, how cool is it to see your, a piece that you created, you manifested, you made on such a big stage, on Juice WRLD? That's a legend. That's incredible. What did that make you feel?
Insane. It was so surreal. When that first happened, just going from starting fashion in the program at Kent State Design, just going from actually getting it on a celebrity. Pretty much it opened my eyes to this higher life. I knew I could get somebody else and keep moving it forward,
Come on.
This was only the first, in my opinion.
Amen to that, bro. I believe it. I sincerely do. But the sky's the limit for you, Zion. That is so cool, man. And I guess for the last question, why fashion? What brought you in, kind of thing. Why fashion? I feel like that's a good question.
Honestly, fashion has always been an interest of mine, even before I realized that dressing good in clothes were very important to me since elementary. However, it wasn't until college I became interested in the design process and the actual world of fashion. Like I just mentioned, I attend Kent State. for fashion design, number 4 in the U.S., number 15 in the world.
Wow.
Pretty crazy, pretty like competitive, and it's really inspiring. Honestly, it's taught me a lot. It's helped me realize that there's so much to do out there within this industry. Honestly, my goal is to leave the biggest mark I can while simultaneously trying to change the world.
Come on, bro. That'll preach, man. Come on. I love that. Come on, man. Honestly, Z, that was touching, bro. Honestly, I think you're an inspiration to so many people, and I sincerely believe that some of our subscribers watching this, even today, will be inspired by your story, to see how far you've come, to see your designs, to see how, like, see it on stage. Like, seriously, so amazing. Man, we're so proud of you, man. Seriously, keep inspiring. That's so cool.
Appreciate it. Definitely have to thank God for everything.
Amen to that, bro.
And thank myself, for him giving me this ability to just keep it moving. I'm ready.
I love that, man. So humble. Anyways, Z, it was a true privilege to speak to you. I sincerely mean it, man. Like, I feel super humbled to talk to you. You're a legend in the making. This is just the beginning for you. Myself, as well as the team here at Minimal, sincerely believe that, bro, the sky's the limit, man. All right, so now that you gotten a chance to put a face to our very first independent designer, Zion, let's go ahead and talk about some of his pieces, because I have to say we are absolutely in for a treat. And so first up, we have here our D238 Ecstacy denim, and my oh my, the details on this first piece are truly impressive. Starting out with the wash, we have a medium vintage wash. Why I love this specific style of wash so much is because it is so versatile. It really emulates a pair of jeans that were lifted from years and years ago, even decades ago, and looks really nice with vintage tees and can be styled a plethora of different ways. Now, digging a little bit deeper into the details about this denim, we have distressing throughout, and you can tell this was meticulously done. The distressing just is very clean, giving it that really worn look, and throughout the denim as well features butterfly print. Now, if you guys are familiar with our D denim, then you know that this pair of denim does feature a relaxed fit throughout, which is why I do suggest going true to size. This specific pair is comprised of 100% cotton, which means there is no stretch to it. But given the fact that it is a relaxed fit, going true to size should have you good to go. All right, so moving on to these next two pieces. These are the ones that really popped off, as these one-of-ones found themselves on the stage of Rolling Loud. So here we have the D239 Explorer Denim. The D239 Explorer Denim is designed with our D fit, similarly to the last pair we talked about, which is to say that it is a relaxed fit throughout. Again, comprised of 100% cotton. There is not going to be any stretch to this pair, so going true to size is highly recommended. This pair does feature an extended inseam, which is perfect for stacking with any shoe or sneaker, and is constructed from patchwork paneling with raw edges, cargo pockets from self fabric, a contrast leg opening constructed with the waist of another pair of denim, which is another way of saying that this pair of pants is insanely detail oriented. Seeing this pair in hand, guys, really you have to see it. It really is so incredibly well crafted. The details are just amazing, quite honestly, which segues us to our next pair of pants. This is the D251 Explorer Denim. Now, not to be mistaken with the D239 Explorer Denim, the D251 Explorer Denim is also designed with the D fit, which is a relaxed fit throughout. Going true to size, once again, is your best bet. This does also feature that extended inseam for stacking and is also constructed from patchwork paneling with those raw edges, cargo pockets from self fabric, and a contrasting leg opening constructed of the waist of another pair of denim. But as you can see, this pair is different in that it is finished with a synthetic webbing with metal trims, attached with contrasting belt loops. And I really do find that the belt loops, the fact that they do contrast against the pants, that really does make a significant difference. Just because had it been the same color, it might be hard to find those attachment points for the belt, but that's neither here nor there. Really such an incredibly designed pair of pants. I personally have never seen anything like them, let alone owned anything like these. So really, really well done, Zion. Seriously, this is such a sick pair of pants. Definitely a staple piece, a statement for that matter. And yeah, just sincerely really impressed with your work. But yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. That was the first segment of this collaboration. We have many more to come down the pipeline. We are always taking requests, so if you guys want to go ahead and email us, comment down below, let us know in our DMs. We are always looking for talent who just really need a leg up, and we're happy to provide that for this amazing community of ours. As always, thank you so much for the continued support. Truly, if it wasn't for you guys supporting us so passionately, we wouldn't be able to support these new up-and-coming designers to help them get to where they want to go and see their dreams come into fruition. So this is very much so about you that it is us. And with that to say, as I end every video, I will see you guys again next week for another Minimal Mondays.